Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with the Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be solving an example based on one of the rules we learned on the previous class. We have a cycle on the board, and in this cycle, we have three different triangles. 1, 2, 3. In a previous class, in one of our previous class, we learned that is a triangle formed by two radii in a cycle is isosceles. So we have different triangles in this cycle. So we are going to see which of them is formed by two radii. So we are going to know which triangles is isosceles. So let's see. So we have the center of the cycle. Now, from this point to this point is a radius. And from this point to this point is another radius. Remember, the radius is a line that goes from the center of the cycle to one end of the cycle. So we can see that this is a radius, this is a second radius. This means this triangle is formed by two radius, so it is isosceles. What is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a triangle that have two angles to be equal to each other, two angles and two sides to be equal to each other. So it means that if this angle is A, this angle is also going to be A. So to get A, since this angle is equal to this angle, then we say 28 plus A is equal to 180 degree. So 28 plus 2A is equal to 180 degree. 2A is equal to 180 minus 28. So 2A will be equals to, when you subtract 28 from 180, you have 152 degree. So divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. So 152 divided by 2 will give 76. So angle A is equals to 76 degree. Now we've gotten the value of angle A. Now let's come, we have angle B and angle C. But we can see that angle C is extended into another triangle. So I'm going to name this side S, and I'm going to name this side Y. So angle C will be equals to X plus Y. X plus Y. X is inside this triangle. So let's try to analyze this triangle together. So this line goes from the center to this, which means it's a radius. So this triangle is also made by two radius. So we have it here. So it means if this angle is 24, this angle will also be 24. So X is equals to 24 degree. Now we have angle B as the third angle in this triangle. So we can say B plus X plus 24 degree is equals to 180 degree. The reason is the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So we got X to be 24 degree, yeah? So B plus 24 is equals to 180 degree. B plus 24 gives 48 degree. Plus 48 degree equals 180 degree. So B will be equals to 180 minus 48 degree. When you subtract 48 from 180, you have B to be equals to 132 degree. So we have angle B to be equals to 132 degree. We are left with angle Y. Yeah. Remember, angle Y and angle X makes up angle C. But let's try to analyze the third triangle. Now, this line comes from this end to the center, which means it is a radius. And this line comes from this center to this end, which means this triangle is also formed by two radii. So it means this side is also equal to this side. So if here is Y, here is also going to be Y. So same rule. Y plus 88 degree equals 180 degree. So Y plus 88 is equals to 180 degree. So Y plus Y gives 2Y. So 2Y plus 88 is equals to 180 degree. So Y is equals to 180 degree minus 88 degree. When you subtract 88 from 180 degree, you have 2Y to be equals to 92 degree. To get the value of Y will be equals to 92 divided by 2. because 2 is the coefficient of y. So divide both sides by a coefficient of y, which is 2. So 92 divided by 2 gives 46 degrees. Now, we are not just concerned about x and y. The reason why we try to find x and y is because angle C here is made up of angle x and angle y. So because C is equals to x plus y, then x is 24 degrees. So angle C is equals to x, which is 24 degrees, plus angle y, which is 46 degrees. So 24 plus 46 gives 70 degrees. So C is equals to 70 degrees. So we can say we got angle A to be 76 degrees, angle B to be 132 degrees, and angle C to be 70 degrees. I hope you learned something. Thank you for listening. Book the app tutors for your personalized online chemistry, mathematics, and biology classes at an affordable price. Follow the app tutors for daily chemistry, mathematics, and biology content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.